That stubborn belly fat, low energy, it's not just getting older. It's a chain reaction that's happening in the body. You're eating healthy, you're working out, but the weight just isn't coming off. Sound familiar? If you're over 30 and you're wondering why weight loss feels so hard now, then this video is for you. My name is Michael. I'm a board certified PA, graduated from Texas Tech University. I have over 10 years of studying real nutrition and real health. And today I'm going to tell you what's really going on with your body and help you to lose weight fast. All right, so here's what's going on. When your body turns 30, your body starts to shift. Nothing crazy at first, but enough to notice. That stubborn belly fat, low energy, cravings, it's not just getting older. It's a chain reaction that's happening in the body. First, hormones like progesterone start to dip. And at the same time, stress tends to go up, which increases cortisol. High cortisol tells your body to hold on to fat, especially around the belly. Now, the first tip I want to give you is we want to support our hormones. And one of the easiest ways to do that is do not skip meals. Skipping meals can cause your stress to go up, increase cortisol, and that will lead to increased belly fat. We want to prioritize protein, fiber, and some healthy carbohydrates like fruit. This is going to help keep cortisol and adrenaline low and give you the energy you need throughout the day. Next up is your metabolism. As we age, our metabolism will naturally go down, but if you're skipping meals, increasing cortisol, you're going to be losing muscle. And muscle is one of the most important things to maintain your metabolism. The second tip is for you to train 2 to 3 times a week. You want to do this for about 20 minutes max. Any more than that, and you run the risk of increasing cortisol and adrenaline, which again can lead to more fat gain. Like I mentioned earlier, more muscle equals a higher metabolism. The third thing is modern stress hits hard. With work, kids, and regular life can all increase stress levels. Chronic stress is going to keep cortisol high, and that's going to affect everything from your sleep to your mood. So some tips to manage daily stress is going to be a 5-minute breath work, 5 minutes of journaling, or a 5 to 10 minute walk outside. You don't have to do all 3, just pick one, but you can also do all 3 if you want to. You should try to incorporate at least one of these every single day to help bring your stress down. So here's the bigger picture. It's not about eating less, it's not about going no carbs, and it's not about moving more. It's about working with your body, not against it. If you support your hormones, you build muscle, and you manage your stress, fat loss becomes easy and sustainable. So hopefully you guys found these tips helpful. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them.